Hello and welcome to this very special podcast here at NewsX. I am Sambhav Sharma and I am joined by a very special guest, Justice Rajesh Tandon, who is a former judge of Uttarakhand High Court and also an expert in information technology, artificial intelligence, and we are going to talk about how this information technology, artificial intelligence is going to unfold in this country in India, and especially in the backdrop of Constitution of India, and also we'll talk about how artificial intelligence is going to take on judiciary. Now, these all are going to be the topics. I welcome sir to this very special podcast here at NewsX.
Thank you very much. Much work is needed regarding artificial intelligence.
Sir,
It's not so easy.
sir,
Nowadays, people are misusing artificial intelligence and the datas are being sold out and the datas which are being manufactured and now the theft of the data are being going on and therefore strict legislation is required in this connection which I will demonstrate before you and much codification is required for
sir.
artificial intelligence which is nowadays none. There is nothing, no codification, nothing of the kind. We are borrowing these cyber laws and cyber laws itself under the Information Technology Act that has also, which I will demonstrate, that some of the ingredients have fallen down due to the Supreme Court judgments and all that, and
Sir.
therefore it's necessary that some strict, that is fearful legislation has to be founded out on this cyber law as well as on the artificial intelligence. Otherwise, artificial intelligence is nugatory nowadays. Whatever the people are thinking, they are damaging the society and all that. This is my suggestion that there must be some codification of law on this point.
Your suggestion is there must be some codification of law. And however, having said that, I've been tracking Supreme Court for quite a few years now, and I've seen Chandrachud as the Chief Justice of India, and his emphasis on use of technology in judiciary, and the use of iPads, use of these these different devices, rather than filing a petition on paper. He emphasized on filing e-papers and all that, and
All,
e-courts,
yes, that
among
is
others. So,
all are good for decency, for proper working, and not for misusing it.
uh, absolutely, absolutely.
Yes.
How could this be misused, sir?
Misusing is nowadays you are seeing the daily newspapers. Who is taking action? Nobody is taking the action for digital arrest. Who is taking?
Yes, absolutely. Digital arrest is a
Yes.
very
Now
relevant and
that is why
contemporary issue,
I am calm and quiet at this moment. I will
sir.
demonstrate for in the
Absolutely.
platform that the misuse is going on.
How we are going to? I mean, see, this is the future, and I
That
mean,
is why,
rather.
in one word, I have said codification of law.
Okay. You have
Codification.
been the chief of this Information Technology
Yes,
X
yes,
panel.
yes.
So, I mean, what are your suggestions? I mean, where is the loophole, and why there is no codification when it comes to such kind of things? Especially how we are going to cover digital arrest kind of things.
Let me
Yes, yes,
speak there. I will demonstrate before you
sure,
the judgments of the Supreme Court,
yes,
which are now harming us, and
right,
therefore
right,
these judgments require reconsideration.
right,
I will demonstrate before you that
right.
these judgments require reconsideration of the thoughts of the judgments of the Supreme Court, and strict action is required. Apart from strict action, some strict codification is required.
Sir, you have been a judge of Uttarakhand High Court, and that's why I want to ask about uniform civil code. What's your take on that? How do you see this, and if it unfolds in this country, what all things, I mean, to be taken into consideration?
Don't mix here.
Okay.
Don't mix here.
Okay.
That is a uniform civil code. I don't want to demonstrate it. I can only say that for the uniform civil code, much judgments are there of the Supreme Court,
Absolutely.
and that has to be implemented. And what will be its nature, it's difficult to say.
Thank you very much, Justice Tandon, for speaking to NewsX legally speaking, and you have extensively shared your opinion on artificial intelligence and how on the digital arrest, among other topics. Thank you very much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.